I'd like to go for a walk. I'd like to go for a walk. I love this place. I love this place. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. It's too hot. It's too hot. I am tired. I am tired. I feel sick. I feel sick. Call me later. Call me later. I am confused. I am confused. Don't be late. Don't be late. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I miss you a lot. I miss you a lot. Please, come soon before the movie starts. Please, come soon before the movie starts. How is it going? How is it going? Please, eat your food before it gets cold. Please, eat your food before it gets cold. Where are you? Where are you? Don't worry, she's coming soon. Don't worry, she's coming soon. Paris is very different from London. Paris is very different from London. Hey, what's up? I haven't seen you all day. Hey, what's up? I haven't seen you all day. Please, be quiet. Please, be quiet. They are right about the new schedule. They are right about the new schedule. Please, stand up and introduce yourself to the class. Please, stand up and introduce yourself to the class. It's time to go to the next class. It's time to go to the next class.
Can you translate this for me?
Of course. Let me see.
Can you translate this for me?
Of course. Let me see.
The restaurant is famous, and everyone knows it. The restaurant is famous, and everyone knows it.
She likes it very much. She likes it very much.
We like to eat pizza from time to time. We like to eat pizza from time to time. I am cold. I am cold. Bringing an umbrella was a good idea because it started raining. Bringing an umbrella was a good idea because it started raining. Father, it's raining, so be careful driving. Father, it's raining, so be careful driving. Dinner is on the table, and everything is ready for the family. Dinner is on the table, and everything is ready for the family. I am grateful. I am grateful.
Thank you for watch this video and please subscribe our channel for more videos.